So can you repeat again? What is the homework? Jaydeep, can you repeat again? What is the homework?
Yes, sir. Sir, what are the minerals present in our body and what is the main use of them?
Okay. So what about the Lohini and Ashwat? Did you finish that homework?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Lohini, can you tell me what is your homework? What information you gathered on it?
Okay. So the main minerals in our body are calcium, iron, potassium, magnesium, and zinc.
Magnesium and
Zinc.
zinc. Okay. So now what is the importance of these minerals? Like iron, what is the importance of that? And zinc, what is the importance of that?
Iron is part of molecules, sir. Like the source of iron are orange meat, red meat, sir.
Okay.
Meat, fish, like that.
Okay. Next one, next important minerals.
What, sir?
Hello.
Yes, sir. Your voice is little breaking.
Now it is clear for you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next, what is the important other important minerals?
Other important minerals are zinc, part of many is needed. Like source of it is meat, fish, polluted, leafed,
And that's all. So next, Sudesha. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Have you done the homework?
Yes, sir.
Sir, yesterday my birthday, sir. I went for out. Didn't complete the homework. That is the reason. Turn on your video.
Yes, sir.
Jaydeep. Jaydeep also. Okay. Can you tell what is the homework that you have done?
Yes, sir. I on my video.
Yeah. Sudesha. I have given the homework for you, right? Write the important minerals. Write the important minerals that I have given the homework for you, right? And along with this, I will ask you today again the elements, 1 to 20 elements. All the homework I will ask you today, okay? Whatever the pending homeworks are there, I'll ask all the homeworks today.
Yes, sir.
Next, Jaydeep.
Yes, sir. The minerals present in our body are calcium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, chloride, magnesium, iron, zinc, iodine, chromium, copper, fluoride, molybdenum, and manganese and selenium. Calcium. It makes calcium. It makes our bones and teeth strong and helps in blood clotting. Phosphorus. It makes our bones and teeth strong. Potassium and sodium helps in maintaining water balance. Chloride. It helps keep the amount of fluid inside and outside of your cells in balance. It helps in maintaining proper blood volume and blood pressure and pH of your blood body fluids. And magnesium. It regulates the functioning of muscles and nerves. Iron. It helps in formation of hemoglobin and RBC red blood cells. And zinc. It is needed for body defense, that is the immunity system, to properly work, and it even plays an important role in cells growth, wound healing, breakdown of carbohydrates, senses of smell and taste. Iodine. Required for proper working of thyroid gland, Chromium. It is important in breakdown of fats and carbohydrates. Copper. It works with iron to help the body form red blood cells, and it keeps the immunity system, blood vessels, nerves, and bones healthy. Fluoride. It keeps our bones and teeth healthy, and it plays a key role in forming our teeth, strengthen our tooth enamel during their growth and development. Molybdenum. It activates the enzymes that prevents toxins from building up the body. And manganese. It through the actions of enzymes, manganese is involved in amino acid, cholesterol, glucose, and carbohydrate metabolism, bone formation, reproduction, and immune system and blood clotting. Selenium. It helps your body make special proteins called antioxidant enzymes. These play a important role in preventing cell damage. That's it, sir.
Very good. Really, it's good work you have done.
Thank you, sir.
What about the Ashwath?
Sir, I can. No,
Yeah.
I can't. Sir, I didn't do, sir.
You didn't do. Then you have to tell what is the other homework, starting from you only. Elements.
Sir, the 20 elements, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can I tell at last, sir?
You want to tell in the last. Who is ready now to tell the 20 elements in the order? Yeah, Sudesha.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yes, sir. Hydrogen, helium, then lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, and calcium.
Very good. Next, Lohini.
Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon,
Phosphorus.
phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium.
Very good. Next, Jaydeep.
Yes, sir.
What
Sir,
about the
hydrogen. Sir, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and neon, and sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, and potassium, and calcium.
Very good. Next one. Last, Ashwath.
Sir, Yadharth is saying to accept his request, sir.
Siddharth. Just wait a
Yes.
minute. I'll do that one. So-
Sulfur.
No, you have missed the order. Just can you start from the starting onwards once again?
Yes, sir. Hydrogen, helium, beryllium. Sorry, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, after that argon, then potassium, then calcium.
Okay.
Is it correct, sir?
Okay. So, Sudesha, any mistakes in the Ashwath order?
No, sir.
No. Okay. So next one we'll continue with the So Ashwath just inform Siddharth that he'll inform it to Manoj sir. He'll accept the request.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. Didn't join till now. Just inform that share that link to Siddharth. He will join the class.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you see the screen now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So balanced diet. We last stop it near the water bodies, right? Near the water. Water is very important to our body. Almost 70% of our body weights water only. So water is needed by our body for the good health. So what is the importance of water in our body? It helps to transport substance inside our body. Next one, it helps us our body to absorb nutrients from the food.
Sir, I was like 42 minutes late, sir.
No problem, Ashwath.
Sir,
Sir,
not
not
Sir,
accepting.
And what is the third one?
it helps to.
Can you see the notepad?
Yes, sir.
So it helps us to regulate our body temperature. What is the human body temperature? Average human body temperature?
Sir,
Sir,
97 degrees Fahrenheit.
37 degrees.
Fahrenheit.
98.6 degrees Fahrenheit or the 37.6 degrees Celsius.
Okay, sir.
You can send that link to the Sriharsh also, Ashwath. So you can attend today's class.
yes, sir.
Sir,
Okay.
today Drona and Sriyacha is absent.
That's what Manoj sir asked you to attend, send the link before itself, right? Request. If you have done that one before itself, this issue will not come.
Okay,
So
sir.
we'll continue the class. So we get the water not only from the liquid we drink, but also from the food we eat. Generally, most of the food also will contain the liquid water, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you take the example watermelon, almost 70 to 80% or 90% of the watermelon is water only. The remaining thing is the pulp, right? Like milk, fruits, vegetables, or the juices are the good source of the water. So all the milks, fruits also will contain the water. Then what is the meaning of balanced diet?
Sir, the
the
meal that
food-
contains all the types of nutrients.
In a proper
Having
amount,
a
sir.
adequate amount of the different nutrients which are required to our body to maintain properly. Whatever the nutrients are required to us at the particular time.
Sir,
All
Manoj
these
sir
nutrients are,
accepted request.
sorry,
Sir, Manoj sir accepted the request, sir.
okay. So whatever the nutrients are required for a body, if you're taking the different types of the nutrients in the food, that is called as a balanced diet. So our diet must contain adequate amount of the different nutrients for our body to function properly. Next one. So a balanced diet must include the food items of the following 4 food groups. What are the 4 different food groups? Milk group,
Sir, milk
meat
group,
group,
meat group, fruit and
fruits and
vegetable
vegetable
group,
group, grain
and
group.
grain group.
So what is the meaning of milk group, which includes the milk and the milk
And milk
products?
ones.
So what
Sir,
are the main nutrients are present in the milk group?
proteins.
Mostly will contain the proteins, fats, right?
Yes,
Fats
sir.
also will get contain the milk group, the cheese, butter, ghee, all these are the milk products, right? So most
Yes,
will
sir.
contain the fats as well as the
And
proteins.
proteins.
So what about the meat group? That meats and the meat substance.
Sir, like chicken, fish,
Include the meat, that
lamb.
is a
Sir, what
chicken,
is
fish,
lamb?
lamb. Lamb means it's like mutton.
Okay, sir.
Goat meat or the small goat meat is there, that is a lamb.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
chicken, fish, lamb, etc. And the meat substituent means which is for the vegetarians, beans, peas, nuts, and the seeds. So most
Okay,
of the pulses also will have the proteins, right? So this comes under the meat group. So what is the main nutrients in the meat group? What are the main nutrients in the meat group?
So proteins.
Proteins. Mostly it will contain the proteins and a small amount of carbohydrates also will be there. Then the fruits and the vegetables include the different types
Sir,
of the
vitamins
fruits.
and minerals.
including the different types of the fruits, but mostly it will contain the vitamins and the minerals. Most of the fruits and vegetables will contain the different types of the vitamins as well as the minerals. Next, what about the grain groups?
Sir, they include bread and cereals, sir.
Bread and cereals. What are the different cereals?
Sir, oat.
What are the different types of cereals? Rice, wheat.
Sir.
The rice,
Sir,
wheat,
I sent the
pulses.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, Ashwet. Yeah.
Sir, rice, wheat, pulses.
Rice, wheat, pulses. Next, different types of the grains will be there, right? So all this comes under the cereals. So what are the main nutrients in the cereals?
Sir, carbohydrates.
That's the carbohydrates. So each and every group will have the different types of the nutrients. Mostly milk groups will give the fats and the proteins.
Proteins and fats, sir.
Meat group
meat-
especially will give proteins.
Protein.
Fruits and vegetables will give
Vitamins
Mostly-
and minerals.
vitamins and the minerals. And the grain group will give the carbohydrates.
Carbohydrate.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
So balanced diet means what? We should contain all these 4 different food groups. So when you're having
Okay, sir.
all the 4 different food groups only, we'll say it as a balanced diet. Balanced diet means whatever the nutrients are there, all the nutrients will be present in the given food. Next one is the deficiency diseases. What is the meaning of deficiency disease?
Sir, if you don't
Sir, the
eat
diseases
Diseases
that occur
caused
due
by
to
the lack of
nutrients.
lack of nutrients.
lack of a specific nutrient.
Very good. Decisions caused by due to the lack of specific nutrients. So due to the lack of carbohydrates will cause one disease. Lack of protein will cause one more disease. Lack of vitamins will cause one disease. Lack of minerals will cause the disease. So lack of the specific nutrients will cause the disease that is called as a deficiency disease. And whether the deficiency disease are transmittable to other person, like
Sir,
if you
no.
got
The-
like if
Sir.
you got the cold is transmittable
sir.
to other
Yes,
persons,
sir.
right?
Sir, if you have cough, sir, if you cough to them, it can go to them, sir.
Other person. But whether the deficiency disease is transmittable to other person,
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
no, it will be there only with the one person, right?
Yes,
The
sir.
non-communicable disease.
Very good. Non-communicable disease, we can say this one. So communicable disease means it can be transferred to other persons also.
Yes,
We
sir.
can say how the airborne disease, waterborne disease, this and all will come under the communicable and the diseases. Next one is the deficiency of carbohydrates. Suppose you have the deficiency of the carbohydrates, what will feel?
Marasmus, sir.
Marasmus is due to deficiency of protein.
Sir, deficiencies of proteins is called kwashiorkor, sir.
Kwashiorkor and also marasmus, both will come under that only.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, for marasmus, is kwashiorkor the second name for marasmus?
Sorry.
Sir, is the kwashiorkor second name for marasmus?
No.
No, sir.
Kwashiorkor is caused due to the deficiency of protein alone. But
Protein-
marasmus is caused due to deficiency
Protein
of protein.
energy malnutrition.
Marasmus is caused due to deficiency of protein along with the carbohydrates. Whenever you have the deficiency of protein plus carbohydrates, it will cause the marasmus. But only when the deficiency of protein is there, this causes the kwashiorkor. You can see
Sir,
the paragraph.
Okay, sir.
we can call deficiency diseases as malnutrition also, right, sir?
Yeah, malnutrition also you can say.
Okay, sir.
So first we'll study about the deficiency of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are, we know already, that is the energy giving foods. Along with the fats are the energy giving fruits. So whenever you have the lack of carbohydrates, it will have the lack of energy, right? Lack of energy means
No
the
stamina.
person will have no stamina and will
And
be
weak.
very weak. So labor who do harm manual work needs more amount of carbohydrates in his diet than a person who is doing his work sitting in the office. What do you understand by this?
Sir,
Sir,
suppose
because
you're-
the laborer has to carry all the bricks and all this construction type of work.
yes, sir. But if you're sitting in an office, you just have to sit, sir. No, like energy doing things you have to do, sir.
You are not doing any work, right? If you are sitting in the office and working now, you are not doing any physical works. So we require less amount of carbohydrates than the person who are working in the as a laborers, because labor has to take the weights and they have to move from one place to other places.
Yes,
So
sir.
carbohydrates will start burning very fast in the labor. So it requires more amount of carbohydrates. That's why if you see the people who are working as a laborers, they will eat continuously rice only, right? All the 3 times. They'll eat morning rice,
sir.
again afternoon rice,
Yes,
again the night also rice only. Why?
To get carbohydrates, sir.
To get
Sir,
the
they
more amount
also
of carbohydrates only, they will eat continuously rice itself. Yeah, Ashwath. Ashwath, do you want to add some more points on this?
sir, they also eat idli, carbohydrate rich foods.
Yeah, always they will take.
other than rice.
Yeah, mostly in our states like Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, they'll eat mostly rice only. But along with this rice also, they'll eat other foods also, like carbohydrate rich food. The main important thing for them is a carbohydrates food along with the other foods also.
Sir, idli is basically just rice, sir, right?
Rice dal only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, along with that, we have the some more cereals will be there in the idli. The
Okay,
idli
sir.
dal will be there, right? So next one is
Okay,
the
sir.
deficiency of protein. Already you know.
Sir, kwashiorkor, sir.
Kwashiorkor. You can see one picture here.
Yes, sir.
Children suffering from the kwashiorkor, how they looks. You can see the picture here.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Whether Sriharsha joined the class?
Sir,
Sir,
no,
not
sir.
still.
Okay,
Sir,
okay.
Priyasha and Dona still not joining.
Okay, no problem. They'll join in the next class. So deficiency of the protein. What is the protein first? Is it the energy giving food or the
Sir,
Sir,
bodybuilding food,
bodybuilding
sir.
food.
Bodybuilding.
proteins are the bodybuilding food? So growing children need more proteins in their diet. Lack of proteins in the diet weakens muscles. Generally bodybuilding food, right? Proteins are. So when you have the lack of proteins, it will cause the weakening the muscles.
Sir, if you eat proteins, it will help you building muscles, sir.
Yeah. So deficiency of the protein, which leads to collagen, kwashiorkor. Then one more maramas is also there, which is a deficiency of protein along with the carbohydrates. Protein plus carbohydrates deficiency will lead to the disease called as maramas, which is also called as PEM, protein energy malnutrition. Protein energy malnutrition.
Okay, sir.
But this disease can be common in the children who are there in the rural areas, because they don't have the proper exposure to the science, right? So they will eat whatever they want. They will not take the proper balanced diet food. That's why it is mostly affected the children in the rural areas. Can you see the fact file here? One fact file is there. The midday meal scheme has been launched by the government of India. Under this scheme, what is the scheme? The midday meal scheme. Okay, just your homework. Find out the details of this complete scheme. When it has started, when it has launched, what is the main purpose of that scheme? Okay,
Sir, about what, sir? I got disconnected, sir.
about the midday meal scheme, which has launched by the government of India. Find out the details of the scheme, when it is launched, who is going to control this scheme, who is in charge for that, or when, what is the main purpose of that scheme, what is the aim and all.
Okay, sir.
Ashwath, not now. Tomorrow's next
Sir, I
class.
already have, sir.
Next class we'll discuss that one. Okay, or else in the last 10 minutes I will give it to you. Okay, so the midday meal scheme has been launched by the government of India. Under the scheme, school going children are provided the free nutritious food in their schools. So it has a two main motives, is what? To promote education in the rural India, especially among poor children, and to prevent malnutrition in the children. Okay, about this we'll discuss tomorrow once you research all the facts about the midday meal scheme. Sure?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is a kwashiorkor? What are the symptoms of the kwashiorkor?
Sir,
Sir,
deficit.
can you tell, sir?
Yeah.
Sir,
Kwashiorkor is the disease where the kids' tummy will be increased and their bones will be shown.
Sir, can I tell, sir?
Yeah, Jaydeep.
So the stomach and the feet become swollen with water and the muscles waste away and the skin gets discolored and the hair becomes reddish and frizzy. Physical and mental growth of the child is slowed down.
Slow down. Good. Next, Lohini. Lohini, what are the symptoms for the kwashiorkor? Unmute yourself, Lohini. Lohini, unmute yourself.
Lohini, you're in mute.
Wait. Just you will get the request. You can unmute yourself now. Yeah, Lohini can speak now. We cannot hear your voice.
Sir,
Yeah, I can hear you. Then what are the symptoms for the kwashiorkor? Sorry, Lohini, just check your mic once again.
Sir,
We can't hear you.
her.
Yeah. Siddharth, what are the symptoms for the kwashiorkor?
Sir, it will give a large pot like belly, sir, stunt the growth, swelling of face and limbs, skin diseases, mental retardation, and diarrhea.
And diarrhea. These are the symptoms for the kwashiorkor people. You can see the picture, right? How they are looking.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if you give the treatment at the proper time, they can get out of this disease. By giving the proper nutrition to the children at the proper time, we can bring them out of that disease.
Sir, because they live in villages, I think they can't have food, sir.
Yeah. They'll eat the food, but they'll eat the different types of the food, right? They don't know which food you have to take for the body.
Yes, sir.
So next one is the maramism, one more common among the infants and the children under the 5 years of age. What is the meaning of infants?
Sir, children,
Babies are like small babies.
Small
Small
people.
babies who burn the
Yes,
babies
sir.
who
Like
burn within 1
in the
year or
age
2
of
years.
months, sir.
Months, you can
Months.
say. That is called infants. The child suffering from the maramas become very thin, shows slow body growth, lack of energy, loss of appetite, weak legs, mental retardation, poor muscle development.
Sir, what is hepatite?
Hepatite means losing of the minerals, right? 1 minute. So losing of the minerals is called as an hepatite. I'll tell you what is hepatite in the after 5 minutes.
Sir, what is mental retardation?
Mental retardation is they will not grow properly mentally healthy.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So mental retardation means they will not grow mentally healthy. So hepatite I will tell you for after some time. Next
Okay,
one,
sir.
weak legs and the mental retardation, poor muscle developments. Next one, to prevent this disease, the government of India has started the programs like the Integrated Child Development Scheme, ICDS, and the midday meal scheme in the schools. Okay,
Sir, what is ICDS, sir?
it is one of the scheme. One of the scheme means what? One of the program which is started by the government of India. Like midday meal scheme is there, right? Like this also, one more scheme is there for the children's. That is a
Okay, sir.
Integrated Child Development Scheme.
Sir, I have the information. Can I share?
Which one?
Sir, Sriharsha John, sir.
Sir, for
Yes, sir.
ICDS.
ICDS.
Yes, sir.
Appetite means the person's desire to eat the food. So you have the desire
Sir,
to eat particular type of food, right? That is called as an appetite. Okay. Understanding, Jay? Appetite means a person's desire to eat a particular type of food. That is the
Okay.
meaning of appetite. Okay.
Sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah, about the ICDS and the midday meal schemes, you have to find out and we'll discuss in the next class. Okay.
Sir, I already have, sir. I wanted to tell now.
I'll give you in the last 10 minutes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Sri Harsha, good evening. So already we discussed about this deficiency of vitamins, right? In the last class itself.
Yes, sir. Sir, not only last class, sir, many days also again. We did.
Okay. Next one, vitamin C. Vitamins are very sensitive to heat and light. For example, vitamin C is easily lost when you are heating the substance. That is the first question in your last test.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next one, you have to eat the vitamin C in the directly as a raw food. Next one, the scurvy was common among the sailors in the ancient time. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What is the scurvy? What is the deficiency of vitamin C
Sir,
will cause
C.
scurvy, right?
Yes, sir.
So it is mostly common among the sailors in the ancient time because they will go on to the trip for the long time, right?
Yes, sir.
So when they are going on the trip for the long time, they will not eat the citrus fruits properly, so it will cause the scurvy.
Okay, sir.
And deficiency of the minerals.
Especially sailors, sir. They will go on the ship, sir. They will have scurvy because they will not eat citrus fruit, sir.
Yeah.
They will eat meat and other protein-rich food.
Sir, even Ferdinand Magellan, a sailor, died because of scurvy, sir.
Okay. So already example has given, right? So James Lane found that eating citrus fruit reduced the occurrence of scurvy in the sailors.
Okay, sir.
Next one is the deficiency of the minerals. So what is this deficiency of the minerals? We didn't discuss till now. I only asked you to prepare the table. What are the different minerals are present in our body? Along with that, what is the importance of the minerals? So whether the cooking will destroy the amount of minerals in the food? If you cook particular food, whether it will destroy the amount of minerals in that food?
No, sir.
No, right?
Sir, only like vitamin C get destroyed easily, sir.
Yeah. So minerals also assist in certain chemical reactions in the body. Cooking does not destroy them during the cooking of the food. Next one, you can see some minerals are there here in table. First, we'll start with the calcium. So what is the main source of calcium?
Sir, milk and green leafy vegetables.
Vegetable.
Milk and the green leafy vegetables are the main source for the calcium. Next,
Sir, it helps in
Phosphorus.
it strengthens our bones and teeth and helps us in blood of clotting of blood.
it helps in the
Clotting of blood and strengthening bones and teeth.
so generally the main source for the calcium is the milk and the green leafy vegetables. Function is strengthening of the bones and teeth and also helps in the clotting of blood. Then what is the deficiency disease of the calcium?
Sir, osteoporosis in adults, sir, and rickets in children.
Ashwath, what is the meaning of osteoporosis?
It's a deficiency disease of calcium, sir. It is found in adults, sir.
Okay. But there is some disturbance from your background, I think so. Ashwath, please mute. Yeah. So osteoporosis means what? Weakness of the bones in the adults. The same thing will have the rickets in the children. We'll call with the different
Yes, sir.
names. That's all. Okay. Then symptoms are what? Brittle bones. What is the meaning of brittle?
Sir, weak.
Which will break easily.
Okay. Sir.
Brittle means which will break.
Sir, we can also call it fragile, right, sir?
Yeah, we can say as a fragile, but fragile is completely very sensitive. Brittle is different. When you beat it, it will break easily.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So next one is the phosphorus. So we have the two different phosphorus are there. One is a white phosphorus, another one is a red phosphorus. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So generally white phosphorus are more dangerous to our health compared to the red phosphorus. So where is the phosphorus present in our body? In which part of our body phosphorus are present?
Sir, in the cells.
In the
Cells.
teeth, in the bones and teeth, not in the cells.
Oh, okay, sir.
That's why it will strengthen the bones and the teeth. What is the main source for the phosphorus? Cereals,
Sir,
and milk.
cereals, pulses, and milk.
cereals, pulses, and the milk. These are the main source for the phosphorus. And what is the deficiency disease?
Sir, rickets in children.
Rickets in children.
Rickets in the children's. Again, it is present in the bones, right? So it will cause the rickets in the children's. Weakening of bones, poor development of bones, and the effects on nervous system, mental retardation, retarded growth, and the loss of weight. So due to the deficiency of the phosphorus, these are the main symptoms. It's very, very important, these two tables. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, what is the difference between the white and the red phosphorus, sir?
The molecular structure will be different completely in that both.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
That we'll study in the higher class only. What is the molecular structure for and all.
Okay, sir.
Next one is the iron. What is the main source of the iron?
Sir, cereals, pulses, meat, and green leafy vegetables.
Cereals, pulses, meat, and the green leafy vegetables. These are the main source for the iron.
Iron, sir.
Iron. Okay. Sometimes we'll say iron.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Helps in the formation of hemoglobin and the red blood cells. So what is the RBC? What is the use of RBC and what is the use of WBC?
Sir,
Yeah. Just to find out some facts on the RBC and the WBC. Okay. That is also homework for you.
Okay,
Sir.
sir.
How many days?
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, can I tell?
Yeah. Ashwat.
Can I tell what is RBC, sir?
Yeah. Let me finish this table. Then afterwards I'll tell. Okay. This iron alone I will finish and I'll give chance to you. Okay. So it helps in the formation of hemoglobin and the red blood cells. Deficiency disease of iron is called as anemia.
Anemia.
What is the deficiency disease? It's anemia. So what are the main symptoms for the deficiency of iron?
Sir, pale body color,
Pale body color,
body fatigue,
body
White-
fatigue.
white nails, loss of weight, swelling in hands and feet.
Okay. What is the meaning of fatigue? Fatigue means excess tiredness or feeling very weak. That is the meaning of fatigue. So deficiency of iron will cause pale body color, body fatigue, white nails, loss of weight, swelling in the hands and feet.
Sir, once again, I'll be back, sir.
Yeah, Ashwat.
Sir, I wanted to tell what is fatigue. Sir, should I tell, sir?
Yeah, you can continue.
Yes, sir. Sir, fatigue is feeling overtired with low energy and a strong desire to sleep that interferes with normal daily activities, sir.
Okay, good. Next one.
Fatigue can have causes that aren't due to underlying disease. Examples such as lack of sleep, heavy exertion, jet lag, or large wheel or aging.
Okay, good.
Sir, I think he got it off the internet, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So then what is the red blood cells, Ashwat?
Sir?
What is the
Yes,
meaning of
sir.
red blood cells?
Red blood cells are also referred to as red cells, red blood corpuscle, whatever. I can't understand, sir.
Can't understand.
Sir, he says whatever, sir.
Whatever.
1 minute, sir. I'll tell you at last 5 minutes.
It's already time up. Okay, and
1
don't
minute,
worry.
sir. 5 minutes
Yeah.
only, sir.
Yeah, I'm
Sir,
telling
there's
you.
only
Like,
2
see.
minutes left, sir.
Okay, I'm telling you what now. Whatever the homework I'm giving, it should be there in your classwork notes. That is very important. Whether you are maintaining the classwork notes or not.
Sir, I am, sir.
Yeah, I'll check your classwork notes, everyone. Okay, randomly.
Okay, sir.
Whatever the things I'm teaching in the class, all this should be there in the classwork notes. There should be separate notes for the tutorial classes, 80 tutorial classes. Okay. Whatever the homework I have given from the starting, also I should be writing the classwork notes only.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So what is your homework today?
Sir, find out everything about the mid-mill and the ICDS scheme and facts about the WBC and RPC.
Facts about the WBC and the RBC. Very good.
Sir, and what is a midday meal scheme, sir?
Yeah, that is what midday
Yes, sir,
scheme
I
and
can
the
tell, sir.
ICDS. Not now. I will give chance in next class only. You should write.
Sir,
You should write in your classwork notes. Then I will give
sir, can I
chance to
tell
you.
integrated child development scheme?
That is what. First, you write all the facts in the written notes. Then you can take the written notes and you can read it out. Okay, that is the important thing.
Yes, sir. And I'll read it out, sir. Sir, can I tell?
Not now. Next class only. Okay.
Okay,
So any
sir.
doubts in today's class?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So prepare well for the test. And this time also you'll get the test in the different questions only. You'll not get the direct questions. Okay.
Sir, Vedic maths test is also there, right, sir?
Sir, the
Sunday we
last
have the.
class of Vedic maths is on Saturday, right, sir?
I'm saying about the Sunday's test.